right, so to begin, we are going to take off this engine cover. It's only clipped on at the back, so we'll have to unbolt it from the front first. It's supposed to have 3 5mm Allen bolts. Mine only has 2. The center one is missing, but whatever yours has, remove it. There's one. They look a little weird, but take them out. Grab it from the back side, lift it up, and then pull it off the front. So here's your ignition coil. The spark plug's underneath, and first thing you're going to do, press on this connector, disconnect it. Now with a 10mm, let's unbolt it. Take that out. Now you can take your ignition coil, pull it straight up and out. Here it is. Now grab your ignition coil. I'm going to add a little bit of silicone paste to the end of this. That helps it seal up against the spark plug, but it also helps this rubber boot not stick to the spark plug in the future from heat cycles and everything. So drop it down, make sure you push it down all the way so it engages onto the spark plug. Go ahead and reconnect it. Make sure it clicks so that it's secure, and put in your bolt to lock it down and snug it up. Perfect. Now do the same thing to the rest of the front ones, then we'll move on to the back. Right behind the intake, you can put your 10mm socket in. You can remove the intake, but it's doable without it. Just break the bolt free, just like you did on the front. Remove it, and then we'll unplug it and remove the coil. Here we go. Let's get the ignition coil on. I put some silicone paste on the bottom of it, just like I did for the other ones. And drop it down into the hole. There it is. Press it down all the way. Connect it while you're at it. And put the bolt in to secure it. And of course, let's snug it up. Perfect. Now do the same thing to the other 2 in the back. They'll just be a little harder to reach. Let's get the engine cover on. On the back side, you can line up this. This is the Lexus emblem. It has a hole here that attaches to this stud. You want to line up the front studs with these holes. Press this down, lock it in. I only had 2, but of course if you have 3, put them all back. Perfect.